Hi, this is Mary for Mary's Stamping Happenings, and this is beginning stamping or stamping 101. I would like to show you how to use glue dots. This is the glue dots, and let's see, let's get this a little closer. See if you can see those little dots on there. Yeah, see right there's a little dot. Those are the glue dots. It's really hard to see because they're clear and there's right there. But I want to show you how to use these. A lot of people pick those dots off. First off, I wouldn't be able to. Second off, once they get on your hands, the oil on your hands negates the adhesive so they don't stick as well. So what you want to do is you want to take your paper to your glue dot, and you want to hold your finger or your thumb over that or under your glue dot. You can do it under your glue dot too, because you need something warm. Because the glue dots, other than that, especially if you live in a cold climate, it's really hard to get the glue dot off. So that's what you want to do. And then you will bring, I always put on my smallest piece the glue dot, because then you know it's going to fit. If you have something larger, say I put the glue dot here and I cut these two pieces to make it stretch, and it's not going to fit down here. So that's why I put it on the smaller one. It's like that. And see, if I put it on there, it wouldn't have fit. Now what you want to do, and I'm not going to show you this, but you want to sit on it. Glue dots become stronger when they're heated and have a lot of pressure on them. So sit on them. So thanks for visiting. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube. Bye-bye.